Start your Luang Prabang adventure by arriving during the dry season no-Feb for the best weather and flight deals. Day 1, explore the UNESCO Old Town, climb Mount Foodie for sunset, and feast at the night market. Try khao soi and Lao sausage. Day 2, tour the sacred Wat, Sheng Thong, and Wat Mai, then an unwind at a riverside cafe. Day 3, take an early trip to Quang Si Falls, swim in turquoise pools and visit the Bear Rescue Center. Enjoy a picnic, then return for a relaxed Mekong sunset cruise. Day 4, join a street food tour, sip Laotian coffee, sample mukpa and orlam, and visit the vibrant morning market. In the evening, experience Luang Prabang's nightlife at Utopia or Icon Club. Day 5, shop for textiles and crafts at the morning market, then explore the Royal Palace Museum before heading home. English is widely spoken in tourist areas, and the Lao Kip is accepted everywhere. Top mid-budget hotels include My Dream Boutique Resort, Villa Mali, Maison d'Alabua, Mekong Riverview, and Satri House. Visa on arrival is available for most travelers. Don't forget to book flights early for the best rates.